If your iPhone won't verify your phone number when setting up or signing into your Apple ID, here's how to fix it. Start by restarting your device. This can often fix temporary verification glitches. Next, check your network. Make sure you have a working SIM card, cellular signal, and internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, check Apple ID settings, and for that, go to your settings app, then tap on your name at the very top. After that, go into sign in and security. Here, tap verify if there's a number pending, or if it's wrong, tap edit to remove or update it. Next, turn iMessage and FaceTime off and back on again. And for that, go back to the main settings menu, then scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Here, scroll again and tap on messages and turn off iMessage. Do the same for FaceTime, then turn both back on and wait for activation. Or if you're in a different country now, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on General. After that, scroll down and tap on language and region, then make sure it matches your current SIM. Also make sure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS version. If it's still not working, sign out and back into your Apple ID or contact Apple support for help. But for most, these steps should solve it. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.